I've removed the caliper from the van. However, you can do this on the van. In my case, I have removed it from the van using a brake caliper piston retraction tool. There we have it, full set there, and the right hand thread, both right hand threads for the rear calipers. You can draw in the piston using this tool. Just a case of placing the clamp into position and using a suitable plate that will fit within those holes that's been pre-drilled into the piston. That wants to match up and fit in like so. So I'm just going to put this inside the caliper. I'll draw back the piston into the caliper. All lined up. Now with the piston tool in place, like I said, you could do this on the van. What I normally do is clamp off the flexi hose and open up the bleed nipple and let the brake fluid exhaust from the bleed nipple so it's not going back into your reservoir. But just a case to retract that piston back into the cylinder, just turning the tool so you actually are twisting the piston back in to the caliper. Make some fine adjustments each time you turn it. And that's pushing the piston back in. And that's come to the end. So that's piston. Now that's the piston fully drawn back into the caliper. Just release the tool. The next for me to do is to clean up this caliper and get it painted. Now luckily the front brake calipers are far more easier to retract the pistons in. All you need is a piece of wood. Now this is generally in the Iveco workshop manual telling you to use the piece of wood. You insert the piece of wood inside the caliper, butt it up against the pistons, come along with your engineer pliers and close those engineer's pliers up, which will retract the pistons back into the caliper.